So my conclusion here for managing the resources is basically select the resources from various sources, use the media, range of tools, so that where your whole learning environment become more collaborative production, and always try to choose the tool which can facilitate learner generating contents. Okay, and always understand your learners needs and curriculum syllabus fit. Number 2, develop and adapt materials using authentic resources. Okay, so always try to use the proper resources that can fit your learners and syllabus. Always apply professionalism. Okay, and always understand the learning culture. So based on that, you have to develop your content. Sharing or collaborating with your colleagues will be a good approach, and use materials always effective with appropriate pedagogical strategies. That means, for example, as I told you earlier, whether you are using case study or you are using lectures mode or presentation mode, or is a case or problem based learning approach, or you are going to use a project based learning approach, doesn't matter, right? So you are going for a collaborative learning with 2 universities or 2 classrooms integration approach. So that's all based on your pedagogical approach. Whether you use, sometimes we also use pedagogy approach, self-determined learning approach, independent learning approaches, anthropology approaches. It's very important to know what you are going to use, and always making effective use of stationaries excuse me, stationaries or equipments or technology that supports your respective learning outcomes and your learners' capabilities. It's very important to know your technology readiness or maybe learning readiness of your own learners' profile. And always develop and maintain a system for storage and retrieving materials. Like the very important thing, whatever you are developing or maintaining your resources, try to have a backup using the cloud storage, so that you can, even if sometimes the resources deleted or probably it got some viral effect because a lot of things are happening in the cyber, always have a backup. Okay, so for example, even though you have a learning management system in your campus, it will be good to have a secondary learning platform with your students to communicate, to share contents. For example, it can be even Google. You can use Google platforms, or you can use blogs. You can use your own blogs, or you can even use social media, or you can use the websites like education websites, something like called Edmodo, or even you can use the Padlet I showed you. I think the Padlet which I told earlier, that is a digital wall where you can store a lot of materials. So it's very important for you to have a secondary storage which is a cloud based, so that it's easy for you to share with the people. So these are all some of the other references apart from the sources I put in my slides I used for this presentation. So what is the key takeaway? This is my final one. I think promote the responsible and ethical digital citizenship when you develop the teaching material, because students and teachers are in a digital classroom nowadays. So what is the takeaway? Take care of the malwares. A lot of things are happening. So always try to explore the appropriate teaching resources that is related to your learning style of your students, or based on your capabilities. Understand your learners very well. And very important thing, whatever resources you are taking from videos or pictures, always try to source them. And for example, you are using pictures, there are a lot of copyrights issues. Try to use the Creative Commons website where it's already they given the copyright issues. Even YouTube, you are using many teaching materials, and try to prevent the cyber bullyings. And I think it's very important for us to have a self-image, integrate the technology smartly, and use of NETI etiquettes I think, which we call now, we are all in internet. I think etiquettes in the internet we call etiquettes. It's very important as a managing resources or probably monitoring or maintaining. Give credits when the students are engaging in your teaching materials.